this simulation environment. Okay, so they're talking about how to create a mixed signal simulation environment. Okay, so what all the elements are present. First is facility for the design entry. Okay, so there should be your suppose your tool should able to take the input, okay, from other tool, like your netlist should be portable. Okay, that they are talking about facility for design entry. You should take input as a netlist, okay, from other tools also. Analog simulator for analog circuit simulation. So you need a analog simulator, right? But do you know some analog simulators example? Okay, I will tell you. From Mentor Graphics we are having Eldo, okay, and from Cadence we are having Spectre, and from Synopsys we are having HSpice. So these are the three analog simulators. Okay, digital and logic simulator for logic simulations. Can you tell me any digital logic simulator? Model sim. Okay, then
ActiveHDL.
okay, VCS, NCSim, all these are digital simulator. Link process that manages the communication between analog and digital simulation. Okay, so definitely when you're using that analog and digital simulators, you need also one mechanism, okay, that will interact between those two simulators. So that is also one requirement. Device and interface element model library. Suppose you are taking design from the libraries, right?
Yes.
So those libraries should be there. Okay. Simulation test bench. For digital you need a test bench, right?
In
So
analog, test benches are available.
actually analog for analog actually test bench is not required. Okay.
Some voltage level.
Like because usually analog signals are like clock, all those things. Okay, so that is not a problem. That you can generate from before doing system level simulation. You will use clock, right? Test bench will generate a clock. After that you have to remove that clock and PLL will generate the clock. Okay, but any of both should interact. That they are talking. Simulation test bench only used for digital. Okay, facility to display the output waveform and the result. So some waveform window you need, right? So in Cadence you are having these options. You can do analog and mixed signal simulation.
Yes, analog and digital supporting softwares are available.
Yeah, they will support full. Okay, so like in case of USB, before that I told you, in USB, so
UTMA.
yeah, UTMA is analog block. So when you want to verify during that time, if you want to verify in real environment, you have to go with analog and mixed signal simulations.
Yes.
Okay. Now second topic is selecting a simulation environment. How to select a simulation environment? Okay. What are the parameters? First is performance and accuracy, then library models, then interface models, mapping state, languages, result display, user references, and cost. So these are some of the parameters. Now we'll see one by one what all parameters these are. So the overall speed and accuracy of the mixed signal environment is determined by the analog simulator used. Okay, they're telling that accuracy, how much accurate your environment is, okay, simulation is, that depend upon the analog, because analog is the slowest. Okay, it will take too much time. So that is why performance will get degraded. Okay, because your analog block will take too much time to process. Okay, so because of that they are telling that it will get